Birds that use spider webs in nest construction. In the jungle, some birds display remarkable ingenuity by using spider webs in nest construction. Species like hummingbirds and vireos collect the sticky silk to bind their nests together, creating strong yet flexible structures. Spider silk is incredibly lightweight and durable, making it perfect for withstanding winds and the movement of growing chicks. Additionally, the stretchy material helps the nests expand as the chicks grow. Birds often combine the webs with leaves, moss, and feathers to create well-camouflaged homes, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to evade predators. This fascinating use of spider webs highlights the incredible adaptability of these jungle birds.